I'm worried. I'm gonna go to the mall and look for the kids. Why don't you stay here in case they come back?
Okay. Hey, Zelensky! Your lawn's beginning to look like the Amazon.
Yeah, producing oxygen, Russ. We've all got to do our part. You know, the jungles are receding everywhere.
If the Borsteins come by, their escrow papers are in my briefcase. Think you can handle that?